So let's take a look at a couple other setup pieces real quick. We're going to also take a look at shipping methods. So we have the ability to specify a shipping method at the header level of a sales transaction. You can also set it at the header level of a purchase order. And so again, these are going to be your UPS ground, your local delivery, your, we'll see our truck used quite often where you're delivering on your own business or company truck. You may have pickup, maybe a delivery type. So if you, whatever those additional delivery type or shipping methods that you want to use, you can set those up here. One note is that if you do integrate to or set up an integration to ShipStation, and you have a carrier set up within ShipStation, so we'll go with UPS. Once you connect or you successfully create that integration to ShipStation, we will pull down or integrate all of the shipping methods from ShipStation for that carrier over to cloud. And so you may have nothing set up here, create your ShipStation setup, and then suddenly you'll have all of these UPS shipping methods set up on the left-hand side. And they will be named with carrier name, and then I believe it's either a space or a dash, and then the actual shipping method. So you would see something like UPS 2-day air, or UPS next day air, or UPS ground. And then if you have multiple carriers set up within ShipStation, you would see all of those. So if you have both UPS and FedEx and Stamps.com, you would suddenly see UPS shipping methods, FedEx shipping methods, and USPS shipping methods that come over from Stamps. So again, we will attempt to pull those over. If you do not plan to integrate to ShipStation, you can go ahead and go through the setup and add a new shipping method. So I'm just going to name this ground. This is my shipping method name. Again, shipping method, you want to be descriptive because this is what is going to show on your sales transaction or your purchase order. And typically those get printed on your printed form, and so they would also show your customer would see those as well, or your vendor would see those as well. So you can specify shipping carrier. This gets populated with those if you integrate to ShipStation and we pull those shipping methods over, it would be populated at that point. It is not a required field, so it's not something that you have to specify. So you can specify if this is a pickup shipping method type or if this is a shipping method type. Again, these will have future functionality. Currently, they do not affect anything within the system. You do have to check one of them though. So go ahead and save it. I've now created the shipping method, and then I can go back in and I can start adding additional shipping methods. So if I want to have a next day air, and so I'll set up just a couple of them so you'll be able to see them show up on the list on the left-hand side. And so this is going to be a pickup. And so now they'll show on the left-hand side. And again, this populates the drop-down that when I'm on a sales transaction under the shipping method field, I'll click the drop-down and I can then pick from any of these that I've specified in my list.